Okay, welcome to the culminating task for Unit 1. We're going to seek to bring together those four concepts of geographic thinking that we investigated in the previous four activities. That would include spatial significance, patterns and trends, interrelationships, and geographic perspectives. So again, we're going to this project's going to bring together all four of those concepts by looking at investigating a destination of your choice. The first discussion associated with this activity, one of the things we do in this course is take a look at potential geo-careers, geography-related careers. So the first one has to do with life on a cruise ship. For many of you, this might be a dream vacation. What you're going to do is just investigate some of the pros and cons of this type of lifestyle. Is there anything about this that might be appealing to you? After that, we're going to get right into the meat of this project, starting with the fact that as you do your research, you have to make sure that you source the information that you gather. Always give credit to where that information came from. And that applies to every assignment, no matter how small in this course and any course you're ever going to take. If the ideas did not come from you, then make sure you source the information. So that's what this walks you through, is how to support and how to evaluate the information that you gather. And after that, we're going to get into the inquiry process and start looking at some of the questions you might ask as we go through this assignment. Let's start with picking your destination. Where in the world would you like to travel? Again, it's completely up to you. And then what kind of questions would you ask about this destination? The next discussion has you basically choose some of the pictures about this destination and any questions that those pictures might bring up as, again, you continue to think about the destination that you're going to choose to visit. So for this portion of the assignment, you're just going to choose 3 pictures of your destination. As it mentions in the chart here, what questions are inspired by this image about your chosen destination? And do these images represent any prior knowledge or beliefs that you already had about this country? And again, you can join that discussion right here. After that, basically, you've started to choose your destination. Now choose the format that you're going to present this information in. Are you going to do a PowerPoint, a Prezi, a slideshow of some kind, a movie? It's completely up to you. And then start to gather the most basic information about your chosen destination, starting with the title for this task, a map of the country, where is it located in the world, and maybe just some quick statistics about this country, what's its population size, etc. After all of this, you're going to start to investigate those 4 concepts of geographic thinking. So for your chosen destination, your chosen country, you're going to list these headings in whatever way you choose to present this: spatial significance, patterns and trends, interrelationships, geographic perspective. I would use actually these questions as your titles as you present this information. By doing that, you've ensured that you've covered everything that I've asked you to do, and I can see very quickly that you've actually answered each of these questions very thoroughly and completed everything that was expected of you for this assignment. There's an exemplar down here you can take a quick look at. After that, the last step after you've done the 4 concepts is just a quick analysis of your site. You may have started with general information about your country, but then for your specific destination, what services and facilities are available there? What kind of transportation? Do they have a major airport that runs into that place? Do they have public transit? What type of traveler do you think might choose to visit that site? Is it more geared towards couples or families? You decide what type of traveler might decide to go there, and then any safety concerns that might be in that area. And again, at the end of all that, make sure you give credit where credit is due and you reference all your material. After that, you can submit your work. One of the things when you submit your work to the Dropbox is you can submit a shared link if you would like to the comments section of the Dropbox. You may have to attach a file of some kind. You can attach a picture, anything like that. The Dropbox just always requires you to have a file. But in the comments section, you can attach a shared link. Make sure your shared link works. Test it on a friend first before you send it to me. If they can't access it, neither can I. Good luck. Don't hesitate to contact me.